Click the bell icon to never miss any update.
जेल जाके आपकी इमेज पे धब्बा लग गया। पॉलिटिक्स में तो आपकी वाट लग जाएगी।
अपन का अक्खा लाइफ लेमिनेटेड ऐसा अपन खूब चलेगा।
Asian Paints Limited was established way back on February 1st, 1942 and today stands as India's largest and Asia's third largest paint company. Asian Paints operates in 17 countries and has 25 paint manufacturing facilities in the world, servicing consumers in over 65 countries. The year 1942 was a tumultuous one. World War II was on and Gandhiji launched the Quit India movement at Gowalia Tank, Mumbai. In those volatile days, the paint industry in India comprised a few foreign companies and Indian players like Shalimar Paints. A temporary ban on paint imports during World War II resulted in an opportunity for domestic production. A large number of Indians were composing a brilliant part in India's opportunity battle through common non-compliance development. 4 companions in Mumbai were setting up a paint-producing organization in a minuscule carport. The thought was brought into the world after the British set a transitory prohibition on bringing in paints, which left the nation with restricted alternatives. It was either Shalimar Paints or costly, unfamiliar brands. Thus, Champak Lal Choksi, Chiman Lal Choksi, Suryakant Dani and Arvind Vakil chose to enter a less investigated region and make an interpretation of their desire into reality with Asian Oil and Paint Company Private Limited. In 1945, the organization imagined minuscule paint parcels instead of the Goliath tins to disentangle and accelerate the conveyance cycle the nation over. It tied up with little wholesalers in each corner. So much success reached Asian Paints that the company's yearly turnover in 1952 was 23 crore rupees. In 1954, the paint Goliaths chose to go full scale and start a promoting effort that would mirror their way of thinking. This methodology was additionally an approach to guarantee the current clients stayed faithful. Being steady in quality yet adjusting to current market patterns and advancements in perhaps the most compelling motivation for the organization's remarkable development. In 2004, Asian Paints made it to the rundown of Forbes' best under a billion organizations on the planet and was even deliberated with Blade of Honor by the British Safety Council.